everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'll be showing you how to make a perfect rice without a rice cooker. Can you do that? Of course you can. If you want to learn how I made this, please keep on watching. So here's how I measure the rice. 1 cup of rice to 1 1/4 cup of water. I'm just using a saucepan. If you have a different pan or if you have a pot, you're welcome to use that as well. This is my rice cooker. If you want to check out how I cook the rice using a rice cooker, I put the link down below in the description box. This is the easiest way to cook rice because you don't have to watch it. That's the only difference between using a pot, a regular pot, and a rice cooker. Other than that, the process are still the same. So let's get started. First, I'm going to measure the rice. Make sure that you're going to use the same measuring cup that you're gonna use for the rice and the water. What I have here is half a cup of, this is half cup measuring cup. So I'm gonna scoop about 2 of these, which makes it 1 cup of rice. And then we're going to rinse this off. I rinse this off for about 3 times or until the starch are almost gone. Just make sure you run your fingers through it, rinse it off. Not warm water though, just room temperature water. And you could just dump that excess water just like that. If you're not comfortable doing this, you could always use a strainer, but I'm used to making rice like this, so I'm more confident to rinse that water like that. But again, just do it the way what makes you comfortable with. Now that that is all set, we're going to add the water. I'm going to use distilled water. I'm going to put 1 1/4 cup of water. And once this is done, we're going to move this to our stove. So I'm just going to move this over to the stove. Kind of make sure that the rice is level, just like that. Just shake it a little bit. Cover this, and we're going to cook this for 10 minutes on medium heat. Don't cook this on a high heat. Make sure cook this on medium heat and for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you should see that your rice is boiling, steaming so hard, just like that, and all the waters are gone. I'm going to move the heat into low-medium heat. And I'm just going to use the spoon and kind of scoop this over or fold it over so it's not going to stuck, the rice will not get stuck on the bottom of the pan. This is optional, but I don't like to get my rice stuck on the pan, so I just scoop it over just like that. Just simply just scoop it up, fold it just like that. We're going to cook this for additional 10 minutes on low medium heat. This is halfway through. As you can see, the rice is almost cooked. It's not that done yet because it doesn't break right away. It should break right away when you squeeze them using just your finger, but it's not. So there you go. It's 9:46, and that's about extra 10 minutes on a low heat. And the rice is done. Go ahead and turn the heat off. The rice is fluffy. It's so good, so delicious. I like steamed rice. So it's very easy. You could cook rice without a rice cooker. Don't be intimidated by it. It's very easy. The cooking time is really depends on how much rice you're cooking. So here I cook about 1 cup rice and it took me about 20 minutes. So when you cook more than 1 cup rice, so just go ahead and adjust the time. I hope you like this video and I hope you find this interesting. I hope this solved your question if you could make rice without a rice cooker. And yes, you can. I hope this video kind of give you a little bit of answers to your questions and hope this inspires you to cook rice without a rice cooker and don't be intimidated by it. Again, thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment down below. If you like this video, click the like button. Until next time, ciao!